on the process of setting, we add gypsum. Gypsum is CaSO4 to H2. All these substances find variety of uses in different areas. The Na plus K plus ions, monovalent sodium potassium ions, Mg plus to Ca plus to divalent magnesium calcium ions are found in large proportion in biological fluids. We have seen their biological importance. They are important biological functions like maintenance of ion balance, nerve impulse conduction. This is the summary of the lesson. Now we are looking at the Hesburgh elements of periodic table constitute group 1 and group 2. They are so called because their oxides, hydroxides are alkaline in nature. Alkali metals are characterized by only one s electron. Alkaline earth metals are characterized by two s electrons in valence shell. These are highly reactive metals forming M plus and M plus 2 ions. That is the summary, sir. Now we need to look at, we are going to close this session, but before that, just let us look at. Sir, biological significance we have seen. What is cement, sir? The cement is a very important building material, but I say it is the worst material. Cement constructed buildings are hot in summer, cool in winter. It is a bad material, but it is cheaper and nobody has found out better material still. It was first introduced in England in a place called Portland by a gentleman called Aspidin. In Portland, their rocks are very strong because the cement is making such a strong construction unit. Cement is sometimes called Portland cement. Portland is a place where you can find very strong rocks in England. It is called Portland cement because of its resemblance with a natural limestone quarried in the Isle of Portland, England. Cement is produced by combining materials rich in CaO with other materials like clay, which contain SiO2. Clay also contains aluminum oxide, aluminum silicate. The average composition of Portland cement is to be remembered: CaO 50 to 60%, sand 20 to 25%, aluminum oxide 5 to 10%, MgO 2 to 3%, iron oxide is 1 to 2%, sulfur trioxide 1 to 2%. Sir, the sulfur oxides are finding place in our routine materials, sir. You eat sugar. Do you like sugar? Some people like sugar. But unfortunately, sugar contains SO2, sir. People who take sugar in more quantity are likely to get ulcers in stomach in long run. Because the sulfur is a very bad component present in sugar, sir. In the processing of sugar, two things the industrialists use. The sugarcane solution is treated with animal bone. The animals can be buffaloes, cows, pigs. The bones of these animals are charred and the sugar solution is treated to remove brown color. You also add the sulfur dioxide to give it a bright white color. The sulfur oxides are highly acidic and they cause irritation to the stomach lining. And please avoid using sugar, sir. Please. Instead of sugar, you can try the sugar candy that is called misri or patiki bellam. You can also try the honey, or you can use powdered date fruit. The sugar is very bad. Jaggery is okay, but even that is treated with SO2. Best things are only these. To the extent minimized usage of white crystalline sugar because of the SO2 it has. Anyway, cement also has SO3 1 to 2%. For a good quality cement, you have to buy hard this. Ratio between SiO2 to Al2O3 should be 2.5 to 4. The ratio of CaO to all other oxides must be very close to 2. The raw materials for the manufacture of cement are limestone, CaCO3, clay. sodium aluminosilicate. When clay and limestone are strongly heated together, they fuse and react to form cement clinker. Clinker means small stones. This clinker is mixed with 2 to 3% weight of gypsum CaSO4 and then finely powdered. The important ingredients present in Portland cement are dicalcium silicate Ca2SiO4, 26%, tricalcium silicate is major, Ca3SiO5, 51%, and tricalcium aluminate, about 11%. Why the cement sets on adding water is not known clearly. Probably it hardens due to the formation of hydrated calcium silicates. This involves two stages, the setting stage and hardening stage. The orthorhombic crystals will take needle-like monoclinic crystals and they interpregnate and becomes hard. But exactly why cement sets is not understood still. Probably it is due to hydration of the molecules of the construction and their rearrangement. The purpose of adding gypsum is only to slow down the process of setting of cement. Cement has become a commodity of national necessity for any country next to iron and steel. It is used in concrete and reinforced concrete. Reinforced concrete is that which is impregnated with steel rods, metal rods. It is used in plastering and construction of bridges, dams, and buildings. Please read thoroughly about cement. Tomorrow we make an overview of other compounds and do some model questions. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Now it is the time for me to close the meeting because very few people have joined, only 23 out of 75. So tomorrow we revise once more the cement. Tomorrow we also revise the compounds and I give you links for model questions. You practice them on Saturday and face the Sunday exam. I wish you good luck, sir. Should we close the meeting now? God bless you, children.